In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Instagram account using Facebook. So before you can log into Instagram using Facebook, you need to make sure that both of your Instagram and Facebook are connected together. Now we can do this just by heading over to the Facebook application, click on Menu in the bottom right hand side, and then click on the settings icon in the top right. Now click on Meta Account Center, click on Logging in with Accounts, and now select this bottom option, choose which accounts can log into each other, and then go and select your Facebook account. Now from here, you need to make sure your Instagram is connected to this and it has a check like so. So you can see here, these are the 3 different Instagram accounts that I can log into using my Facebook. And then once you have your Instagram and Facebook connected together, you can head back over to the Instagram application, and you can just go and use the exact same login information that you use for Facebook on this Instagram login page, and that will automatically log you into those connected Instagram accounts. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.